Ang bilis ah. Hi. I'm doing better na now. Eh, ba't walang comment? Can you guys comment so I can see if it's working? Thank you for the rose mosh blade. Chloe's back. Hi guys. Mukhang daming contents na ni-record while sick. No, I wasn't able to because I rested. I straight up rested. Hi guys. I'm gonna and my special guest is back. Joke. Hi guys. You can sit here. They will not see you. Mm-mm. No, me too. Yes! Memory story and recent uploads and street food kayo. Ah, yes. We did eat some street food at a market. Wait lang, we'll play ML in a bit. Be. Yeah, nahirapan akong gumalaw for a few days. I'm better now though, but still recovering. I'm feeling a lot better than last time na. I think no more puyat for me. I'll just be up until like 10 p.m. maximum. Thank you, Ate Kat. I just really need to go live because I haven't been live for wow. Mama, okane kudasai. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you, Realize. Okay ka na? You still sound sick though, yeah. I'm still preserving my energy. Thank you, Ate Kat. Later in a bit, lampasin ko mga 20 minutes at least. Still no? Mm. Me too, I'm still trying. Hi, yes, yes. Yan ata ang intro mo ata sa akin every live. Palitan mo minsan mga 40, ganon. Para interesado sila, ganyan. Ang bata mo po sobra ate, ganyan. Di halatang 40 years old like that. Okay. Mas interesting kasi. Tapos I can say like, yeah, I have 5 kids at home. Hi guys. Ano gusto niyong sound trip? Thank you, Derek, for the heart, me, and Deborah for the cake plan. Thank you, guys. 2979. Please don't forget to take your medication and watch youth's time of your yes. I have a lot of medicines on hand right now. It's not done. Yeah. Kasi nagaya ako sa group chat ng MN. Thank you, Sin, for the heart. You remember anong song na perform ni Casper Satan Sai? I think that was Just Let Me Alone to Nothing Up to My Feet All Week. Yes, of course I remember. Thank you patapa for the heart me. Pen for the rose. Thank you, Emmanuel, for the heart me. Thank you. Iyo, it's okay. Grabe, how's Spain? Natamaan na ng homesick, yeah. I think everyone is homesick at this point. We're all doing our best. So if you have the time, please support Quadlit. Then we should stream our song. How do I how do I add music here? Will you hear it if I play it on? Wait, no, still trying. Always. Nah, still until now? 7 minutes, 17 minutes, 17 minutes. Mm-mm-mm. They can see you? I don't think so. Yes, mm. Yatta! Guys, I'm gonna save up for a mic so I don't have to do this. Thank you, Mima. Mima cool. Thank you guys for sending sweet messages to me while I'm recovering. Even okay. Later, I might be gone for a few minutes because I'm gonna bring you. You also have kinoko? Oh, me too. Okay. Right now, in a few minutes. Hi guys! Kamusta? Kamusta kayo? We're just warming up the live. Give it a few minutes to warm up and then we'll start playing them. Today, I'm gonna think of a rule so that you guys can play as well. Think it's not working. Sure, you can go live strength energy wise. I think I'll just keep it like this tonight. No screaming, no singing. I'll just play. Yeah, I can. Because tomorrow I have work. Gato. Kuchi kuchi. Oh, yesterday I was the first viewer of your latest video. Hi, welcome, 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 Lalabs. You are now officially a Lalabs. Your voice is enough. Oh, thank you. Mabuhay, mabuhay. Thank you, Beanie Gwen in your for the heart me. I thought somebody knocked. Hey, that's not Kinoko. That what is it? What's not Kinoko? Kinoko. Kinoko is it's like a tree. It's not Kinoko. No, Kinoko Janai. I don't like that kind of Kinoko. The pink? What pink? I don't know that. What? Oh, this one yours? Same? No, maybe not. Anyway, where are you now? I'm in the Philippines. Jeez, 16, 13. Are you gonna reveal who's assisting you today here? Probably not, because she's leaving in a bit. She will be leaving in a bit. Yesterday was the first viewer of this video. Welcome, sayangku. Welcome, sayangku. Apa kabar? Apa kabar? Apa kabar? Is it mommy quad lips? Yes. Not mommy, it's mama. Mama quad lips, yes. Mother, mother is mothering. You try all. You try again. Let's see. Um, Hi. You wanna see mama? You cannot see mama. You will see mama in. Did you try it already? What did you try? What did you do? Guys, stream wings grow back by quad lips. How are you? How are you guys? Did you guys get the flu also? I tried IBGA a while ago. I can. We'll wear gaming stream tonight. Yes. Thank you, Champ Champ Nap Nam Narapong. Kapul na ka. Thank you, terima kasih. Arigatou gozaimasu. What? Eye infection? Why? From where? If you guys wanna join the game stream, you have to be the top one gifter. But if you're subscribed, then you have a free pass. I had the flu and re-injured one foot and hurt the other foot. Oh no! How does that? How are you now? Please take your meds as well and rest. Let me check. Are you with the Quad Lips member now? Yes, I'm with one, but she's leaving me. She's gonna leave me in a bit. Hi. Tap, tap, tap. Yes, tap hearts, guys. Let's aim for. What was our last time? What was our heart goal last time? Thank you for the little crown, Sheen and Hazel for the heart me. Thank you guys. You've grown so much. What do you mean? Hi. 130k last time. Let's try to reach 100k tonight. Since I'm just streaming for 3 hours. Can we do that? Can we do that? I think we can do that. Guys, I've watched ano recently this sticker, how to say, like the sticker book, and then you're gonna put 3D stickers. I'm gonna show you. Wait. Hi. Hi guys. From KKS days to now, I'm proud of you. Thank you so much, Cinnamolard. I hope I get to see you in one of our events. Okay. Thank you, Shin. I think this is Ate Anne, but I will not reveal. Oh yeah, it is. Hello. Hello guys. How are you guys? Guys, kamusta kamusta? Only the top one gifter can join, okay? You'll join the game later. Hi, I'm getting better. Vacation mode, no. Rest mode, yes. Yes, we will play Mobile Legends later. I'm fine, thank you. Hello, Haroon. Ate. Yes, Chabu, yes. You are late again. But it's fine because you're gonna make the likes 100K. The show? Hi. Thank you, Eddie Meow, for the roses and heart me. Showroom? No. Okay na ikaw yung na call. Days pa ako. Okay, Lods. Still recovering. Oh my gosh. You have it? Tap hearts, guys. We'll reach 100K hearts tonight. La, wala pa lang kasi gitna. Thank you, Eddie Meow, for the roses. Okay na yung youngster na call. Days pa ako. Okay, Lods. Thank you, Eddie Meow, for the cake slices. Naka-data lang ako, guys, by the way. So, please bear with me. Welcome, guys. Welcome to my live stream. We'll play in a bit. Pagka nag 30 minutes na yung time, we'll play. Sabi ni Zero. Cha. Oh, ayaw niya mag-load. Oh, no. Hmm? You drink ikaw meds ko? Yes, I already drank meds. Am I back? Okay, I'm back. Thank you, PJ, for that. I love you. Thank you. Tap hearts, guys. We'll play ML in a bit. In 13 minutes to be exact. Hello, hello. It's a bit lag because I'm using data only, guys. My Wi-Fi is not working. Mapag-ibig, fortune cookie. Any plans for the weekend? I have work. Will you play with Jamie and Andy? Oh, maybe. I'll ask them later. If available sila, why not? Thank you for the follow. Hello, thank you guys for sending the virtual gifts and top hearts. We're already at 10K. We'll reach 100K lang, hindi 130. Not yet, I'll eat later. Hope Quadlips members will do the PFC trend too. Let's see. ASMR pala yung boses ko ngayon, no? Kasi paos. Nag-eat na po ikaw, Kamiyoshi. Will eat pa lang. Sawadee ka. Thank you, PJ, for the signal heart. Thank you, guys. Let me add a bit more data for tonight. Kasya na ba ito? Kasya na yun. Can I see? The signal's bad. Wala pa din mod. Happy 7th anniversary Talalot ng Sakura. Yes, happy 7th anniversary. 7th na. I haven't eaten anything. I will eat later, guys. Sawadee ka. Wi-Fi. Kamag talaga. Notice ni TikTok. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. At least you're here na. Hello guys. Sa akin yung lag. I'm lagging, guys. Because I don't have Wi-Fi. Unstable internet connection. Oh my gosh. Hello. Welcome. Thank you, SNNH29 for the heart me. Top 1 gifter will top 1 gifter will top 1 gifter will